How are you, my friend? Uko salama? Very good, very good, very good. Mombasa.
Which we are somewhere here. This is where the one-stop shop will be, truck parking and then logistics area.
Tumpigie makofi Mheshimiwa Rais. We as Kenyans must know our 2,300 megawatts cannot drive any meaningful industrialization. We need at the minimum 10,000 megawatts of energy so that we can power the industrialization and the manufacturing of our nation going into the future and position Kenya as the place and the destination for manufacturing and industrialization programs that are coming from the rest of the world. So I just want to assure the investors who are here that government of Kenya is making policy decisions, whether it is fiscal, whether it is in the area of infrastructure, whether it is in the area of making sure that our special economic zones have the least bureaucracy so that we can create a better hub of industrialization and manufacturing in Kenya. I can assure you that the people of Kenya are the most hardworking, the most learned, na ni watu wa kujituma, na ni watu wa bidii, na ni watu wa ambao they need minimum supervision. Therefore, we have the right ingredients to have manufacturing in our country and to manufacture and work with global companies to join the global value chain of manufacturing, and I am very confident that Kenya is going to play in that league. This is an important opportunity for Kenya to be part of the global value chain of manufacturing, to be part of the industrial and manufacturing value chain of the world. And it is because there is greater belief in our country. There is going to be an investment in this special economic zone in Vipingo of $3 billion. And I have friends here from Afri-Exim Bank, from Arise, and from our own local investors.